Thinking about leaving Amazon for good? Here's how to permanently close your account. Did you know Amazon gives you a grace period before your account is permanently deleted? Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to access your account settings. Log into your Amazon account to a web browser. Once logged in, navigate to your account by clicking on Account and Lists in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to a page with various account management options. Now, scroll down the account settings page until you find the option that says Close your Amazon account. Click on this link to begin the closure process. Before you proceed, Amazon will present you with a page detailing important considerations. Read through this carefully. It outlines what happens to your orders, digital content, and other associated services. You'll likely need to confirm you understand and wish to continue. Amazon may ask you to select a reason for closing your account. Though this is often optional, check the box confirming you want to close your account. Once you've reviewed the information and confirmed your intent, click the final Continue or Close My Account button. You will then receive a confirmation that your Amazon account closure request has been received. Amazon typically has a waiting period, usually around 5 days, before the account is permanently deleted. During this time, you can still cancel the closure by logging back in after this period. Your personal information and purchase history will be removed. And that's it. Your Amazon account is on its way to being permanently closed.